Break a leg? This is a way to say good luck. You'll do great in your exam. Break a leg. Piece of cake. Piece of cake means something that is very easy to do. That test was a piece of cake. Give someone a hand. To help or assist someone with something. Can you give me a hand with this box? In hot water. To be in trouble or in a difficult situation, especially because you did something wrong. He's in hot water with the boss. So far, so good. Things have gone well up to this point. How's the new job? So far, so good. Miss the boat? To miss an opportunity. I missed the boat on that investment. Keep an eye on. To watch someone or something carefully. Keep an eye on the baby while I cook. On cloud 9. Extremely happy or joyful. She's on cloud 9 after the proposal. Under the weather. Feeling slightly ill or unwell? I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Pull yourself together. Calm down and regain control of your emotions. Stop crying and pull yourself together. On the same page. In agreement or thinking the same way. We need to be on the same page before we start. Cut to the chase. Get to the point quickly. Let's cut to the chase. What do you want? Easy does it. Do it slowly and carefully. Easy does it. Don't break it. Hang in there. Don't give up. I know things are tough right now, but hang in there. Jump the gun. Do something too soon. Don't jump the gun. Wait for the signal. Think outside the box. Be creative. We need to think outside the box to solve this. Have a blast. Have a great time. We had a blast at the concert last night. Hit the books. Study hard. I have a test tomorrow. Time to hit the books. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. That designer bag costs an arm and a leg.